Take a ride in 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.